Beyonce music. I use it in one of your video. It is not yours. You're not supposed to use it. Only Beyonce and Beyonce producers are supposed to use it. Alright?
You are smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
Welcome on YouTube. It's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another freaking video. So guys, I decided that I wanted to do a different type of video today. So what we'll be doing is listing five things that I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. Now, a lot of us start YouTube channel just because we know it can be an income stream. Some of us start it because it could be something fun to do. Some of us start it because we're in a pandemic. I am gonna tell you why I started it, what I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel, and I'm just gonna expound on it. But before I jump into the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And of course, don't forget to share the video, guys. Please, please, please. And watch the video until the end. Alright, let's get into the video. I have this book that I wrote. Well, I wrote it in the book box. So we're gonna just list the things, and I have a pencil right here. Alright, so the first thing that I wish I knew when I was just starting out my YouTube channel, because we just start YouTube channel and I have no video ideas, we don't have nothing. So the first thing I wish I knew was to create a list of videos that I wanted to do before I started my YouTube channel. So having a lot of video ideas is number one. Right, people? Hold on, let me turn on. That's it. Having a lot of YouTube video ideas is number one. That's key. Because guess what? You're gonna be doing videos and you won't have any ideas. Sometimes it's gonna be boring. Sometimes it's gonna be nice. Sometimes people's gonna watch your video. Sometimes they're not gonna watch your video. And I've learned that from the past. And you guys, I've been on YouTube for a year now. Alright, so I think that's one of the major things, to find content, to find videos, to find stuff that people want to watch and things that interests people is number one. The second thing that I wish I had known before I started my YouTube channel was the whole copyrighted music, copyrighted content, copyrighted stuff overall that I used in my first couple of videos, and those videos are copyrighted. So we're gonna put the meaning of copyrighted on the screen right here, and I'm just gonna expound on it. Now, copyrighted content is content that you do not have the right to use. So only the person them, like if you sing one, if so for instance you're using Beyonce music, I use it in one of your video, it is not yours. You're not supposed to use it. Only Beyonce and Beyonce producers are supposed to use it. Alright? So if you use a copyrighted music in one of your videos, copyrighted whatever, just know that that person or that person producer will be claiming your video, and you won't get no money from it. Third thing that I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel is being consistent. Now me just think say YouTuber just upload one video and you gone about your business, and you come back and you upload again and you gone about your business. Now people, what I've learned that the more you upload, the more your views go up, the more people get to know you, the more videos you put out, is the more YouTube push your content to all its viewers. Now, consistency is uploading. Not saying you have to upload every day. You can upload twice a week, every other day. You can even upload every day if you have the time to make a video. If you have the video idea, upload every day. Alright, so the next thing I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel, I knew that subscribers were gonna come and go. No, I did not know that subscribers would come and go. I thought that once you start a YouTube channel and people start see a video, automatically you will get one heap of subscriber. No, people, let me tell you, that's not how it goes. Unless you have someone else that is big on YouTube inside your family and you decided to start a YouTube channel, their subscribers is gonna come over to your account just because you and that person is related. No, subscribers, people, me tell you, it hard, me tell you, hard, me tell you. But eventually you will get there. So my thing was, everybody always start out with their family. Well, you know, family will support you, friends will support you, but they're not gonna support you when you're not make no money to that. And that's what I mean. They will say, alright, Nishoy, and if you can work, YouTube now work, then I see nothing come out of YouTube, blah blah blah. But just say, keep going, don't give up, and just be consistent. Make videos that people want to watch. Me need to start do that too. Another thing, watch the subscribers and watch hours goes into ties. So if you don't have, so if you say for instance you have 1,000 subscribers and you don't have your 4,000 watch hour, best believe you're not going to get monetized until you have the 4,000 watch hour. And me can tell you, if your video them not make over 1 million views, you not get the threshold in a no time soon. So you have a threshold. It's 12 months. It's a 12-month period that you get to get your 1,000 subscriber and your 4,000 watch hour, after which you can get monetized. Alright. So my next thing that I wish I knew was YouTube's do and don'ts. Alright? So let's say you go a beach and you have on your bikini and party your titty a show and party your crotch line a show, and YouTube see that. YouTube will flag your video. Say you use a bad word in your video that YouTube understands, or you use any word that YouTube think that they heard that is not supposed to be on your channel. YouTube will flag your channel. YouTube will take your channel down. So whenever you're doing that, just make sure that you have the right content and you're not exposing, you're not using anything that you're not supposed to use in your YouTube video, so that you won't get flagged, so that the channel won't get taken down, or your video get taken down. Alright, so just a brief run through. Number one thing that I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel was having a lot of YouTube video ideas. Number two, copyrighted items. Don't use copyrighted music in your videos. You can go to the YouTube studio and click on music. YouTube has some free tracks that you use from their library, of course, YouTube Studio library, and you can use those on your video. Best believe you won't get copyrighted. Because third thing that I wish I knew, consistency. Upload things that people want to see. Upload things that your viewers want to see, and hopefully you will go viral, or your videos will be getting views, so you can get your watch hour subscriber and get monetized. Number 4, I wish I knew that subscriber and watch hour would not come in, like, if you're not consistent, if you're not putting in the work. I did not know that it would not come that easy, because most people think that subscriber come easy. Not come easy, watch hour not come easy, and I am still on my watch hours. I got the 1,000 subscriber. I'm still working on the 4,000 watch hour, and I'm gonna get there. And the fifth thing that I wish I knew is YouTube do's and don'ts. I haven't got one of my videos flagged as yet, and I hope I won't. So this is just to inform you guys, some new YouTubers like myself, small YouTubers like myself, and I just want to wish you guys the best in growing your channel. Hopefully, years from now, you're making a revenue from your channel, whatsoever. So alright guys, so this is the end of the channel. I enjoyed making this video, and I'm gonna go edit it now. So I just want to say thanks for tuning in. It was a pleasure giving you these 5 tips, and I want to say stay safe.